What is up, you guys? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I'm back with another beatbox tutorial video, and today we're gonna talk about Liprolls. Okay, so did it ever happen that you have been trying to learn the Liprolls for a really long time, but you still cannot attain it? You still cannot make a proper Liproll sound, like you're stuck with something like or something like that, but you cannot do this. I cannot boastfully say that this is the video you should be watching to get your Liprolls properly done as soon as possible. But yeah, I can say that I can definitely try to break down the Liprolls into different parts so that it becomes easier for you guys to understand. First things first, you guys need to choose a side. I would always recommend you guys to do the Liprolls from the side from which you do all other sounds, like the case snare or maybe some other sound, or maybe see, my case is a bit up because when I started beatboxing, when I started learning Liprolls, I used to do the case snare from my right side, but somehow I started learning the Liprolls from the left side. So it took me around 1.5 to 2 months to actually get a Liproll sound. You can try doing it from any side. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to do it from the side from which you do your case snares and all other sounds. It's just that it'll be better if you can do it from that side. So I'm assuming that you guys have already looked up on YouTube how to do the Liprolls, and people have been saying you just need to close your eyes and practice something like okay, I know how to do the Liprolls from my left side, so I'm gonna teach you how to do it with my right side, because that way will be on equal grounds, because I don't know how to do it from the right side. So yeah, people have been asking you to do something like, and they'll like keep on doing this, and one fine day you will achieve the Liprolls. Yeah, actually, honestly speaking, I did get my Liprolls something like that by doing something like this, but it, like I said, it took me around 2 to 2.5 months. Yeah, around 2 months to make this sound. First and the foremost thing, step 1, stop doing the outward sound. Stop doing the sound, because this is not necessary when you're trying to do Liprolls. You just need the inward sound. Step 1, try to do this. Simply try to do this. Think about couples, dramatic couples, and the sound they make, like something like so try to do it from one side, then try to like compress it, like try to harden your lips. Don't see, whenever I'm trying to harden my lips, it means that I'm not trying to harden the portion from which I'm gonna do the Liproll, that is this thing. Okay, so try to harden all other parts. This is step 1. If you can get this sound, you can move on to step 2. Step 2, have you ever seen a cow eat its food? Like this. You know, whenever cows or like old people, they try to eat their food, they definitely drop their jaw a lot. You've probably seen old people having gutka like this. So yeah, try to, like, you have to drop your jaw. This is what I mean by dropping the jaw. This is a normal face, and when you drop your jaw, this happens. So yeah, try to drop your jaw while doing that. In this way, you're training your muscles to get used to the point when you're dropping a jaw at the same time when you're doing. So you're dropping a jaw, and okay, see, the transition between and comes from the fact that you're dropping a jaw. Since you're dropping a jaw, the sound is getting extended. You're not inhaling air. I forgot to mention in step 1, whenever you're doing something like, you're just doing with the amount of air which is trapped inside your mouth. You're not inhaling air. This is important. People often like get irritated by not getting this extended sound, and they try to do something like, but this is not how you do a Liproll. You don't inhale air. You simply don't inhale air. Rule number 1, stop inhaling air. Okay, so coming back to step 2, you need to learn how to coordinate and dropping a jaw. With time, you'll get something like, always try to do something like chi chi. This will definitely take some time, because the coordination that you need to drop your jaw and to do the sound at the same time, this will actually take some time and practice. You need to let your muscles know what you're doing, and it will definitely take some time. Okay, now step 3. Before starting step 3, let me tell you guys that it might be possible that you can already do the lip roll after having done step 2, because many people tend to do the lip roll automatically when they learn how to like coordinate their jaw dropping trick with the sound. So yeah, it might automatically come out, or if it does not come out, then you simply have to place your mouth position the way I would ask you to. Okay, there are many exceptional cases where people do lip roll with a different mouth posture. It is obviously possible because people, they don't have the same mouth structure, but yeah, but you can try out this posture if nothing happens after you have completed step 1 and step 2, and a lot of practice with the step 2, of course. This is my normal lip position. To do the lip roll, I'm tightening my lips and bringing them to the center like this, like yeah, exactly like this. And then I'm bringing my lips to the opposite side from which I'm doing my lip rolls. I usually do my lip rolls from the left side, like I said. So I'm gonna get these to the right side. Get it? And then I'm gonna like drop my jaw. As soon as I drop my jaw, you will see this portion gets extended. When people ask you to do something like this face, it comes because you drop your jaw. Okay, so tighten your lips to the center, move it to the opposite side from which you're gonna do the lip rolls, and then drop your jaw while doing Now the fact how much you need to move your lips to the other side depends from person to person. You'll know it better than me how much you need to move your lips. You'll get to know it with practicing. Okay, one more tip for step 3. Like this mouth posture does not work for a lot of people, so they tend to do something like this. Like, you know, it's like a sad face which we make. So they tend to tighten the lips, making a sad face, bring them to the other side, and then do the lip roll. So you need to club everything together. There can be 3 things that can be happening. Number 1, you get the lip roll right after step 2, because like I said, people often get the lip roll right after they start to coordinate their jaw and jaw dropping thing and the sound. Number 2, you might not get the exact sound of the lip roll after coordinating step 1 and step 2. So basically now you need to coordinate step 1, 2 and 3. Okay, case number 3. You still cannot do lip rolls after following step number 1, 2 and 3. This can happen if you did not practice enough, because people and their mouth structures are different. Like I said, many people will take very less time to get the lip roll sound, and many people will take a lot of time. I belong to that category who took a lot of time to get the lip rolls done, and if you think that you're taking a lot of time, then hold, be patient, practice, and one day you will get this sound automatically. Always remember that beatboxing often does not have a lot of hacks. You simply cannot pick up a sound in a day, or in this case you simply cannot pick up lip rolls in a week or so, because you need to strengthen some particular muscles, and while doing so you will need a lot of practice, and with practice one day the sound, the soothing sound will automatically come out. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If it was helpful, then do hit the like button. Hitting the like button helps me a lot, and it shows the amount of support you guys are giving me. If you are interested in beatbox and beatbox related stuff, I keep on posting such videos. Do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.